Ginger, known for its spicy flavor and distinctive aroma, has been a staple in kitchens and medicine cabinets for centuries. This powerful root not only enhances culinary creations but also offers a myriad of health benefits. For men, in particular, incorporating ginger into the diet can lead to several positive outcomes. Here are 6 compelling benefits of eating ginger for men. 1. Boosts physical performance. For active men and athletes, ginger can be a game changer. Research suggests that ginger can help reduce muscle pain and soreness caused by exercise. Its anti-inflammatory properties aid in speeding up recovery time, allowing for more frequent and effective workouts. Additionally, ginger has been found to enhance endurance and reduce fatigue, making it an excellent natural supplement for those looking to improve their physical performance. 2. Enhances sexual health. Ginger has long been considered an aphrodisiac in many cultures. Modern science backs this up by showing that ginger can improve circulation and increase blood flow, which is crucial for sexual health. Better circulation can lead to improved erectile function and increased libido. Furthermore, ginger's antioxidant properties help combat oxidative stress, which can affect sexual performance and reproductive health. 3. Supports digestive health. Digestive issues can be a common problem, but ginger offers a natural solution. It aids in digestion by stimulating saliva, bile, and gastric enzymes, which help break down food more efficiently. Ginger can also alleviate symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. For men who often suffer from gastrointestinal discomfort, incorporating ginger into their diet can lead to significant relief. 4. Reduces risk of chronic diseases. Ginger is rich in antioxidants, compounds that fight oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. By incorporating ginger into their diet, men can lower their risk of developing these chronic conditions. Ginger's ability to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels is particularly beneficial for preventing type 2 diabetes. 5. Enhances immune function. A robust immune system is essential for overall health, and ginger can play a crucial role in maintaining it. Ginger has antimicrobial and antiviral properties that help fight off infections. It also contains compounds like gingerol and zingerone, which have been shown to enhance immune responses. Regular consumption of ginger can help men ward off common illnesses such as colds and flu, keeping them healthy and active. 6. Promotes mental clarity and cognitive function. Mental health is just as important as physical health, and ginger can support both. Studies indicate that ginger can enhance brain function, improve memory, and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help reduce inflammation in the brain, which is linked to cognitive disorders. For men looking to maintain mental clarity and sharpness, ginger is an excellent addition to their diet. Incorporating ginger into your daily routine can offer a wide array of benefits, from boosting physical performance and sexual health to enhancing digestive health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Its immune-boosting and cognitive-enhancing properties further underscore ginger's value as a natural health booster. Whether consumed as a tea, added to meals, or taken as a supplement, ginger proves to be a versatile and potent ally for men striving for optimal health.